Hi, hello, good morning. This is Vishwanathan. I am a founder of blogbind.com. Okay, today we are going to see about one of the pop-up tool, Get Site Control. Okay, before into that, my channel name is Passive Income Tribe. Okay, uh, so you can subscribe and like and provide the comments based on this video. Okay, let's get into the topic. So top get site control features. Okay, here they are saying like why hundreds of companies use get site control every day. Okay, for example, there are multiple features. They have template gallery. So in template gallery we can create a with a gallery of pre-designed pop-ups. Okay, so they have given pre-built templates. We can use that and we can modify in order to our requirement. Okay, so template gallery we have one of the features. Second one is mobile pop-ups. Mobile pop-ups we have get site control helps you achieve impeccable pop-up appearance on mobile. Okay, so easily adapt widget design to smaller screens and ensure great user experience. Okay, mobile pop-ups is very important because nowadays people are using mobile phones for all the purposes, e-learning, shopping, everything. Okay, so third feature is css editor. Css editor we can edit the color, size, font and position controls right in the dashboard. Okay, fourth is intuitive interface. In intuitive interface, we can create high converting widgets with zero technical skills. We don't need technical skills. We can easily understand and we can create your intuitive interface by using enjoy the wizard based pop-up builder with a clean interface. Okay, layout templates and presets. And the fifth point is precise targeting. Okay, precise targeting we are using tags like that, UTM and other parameters. Okay, visitors location. So we can create in depth targeting rules using and or operators. Okay. Sixth one is behavior triggers. Display widgets based on your website visitors behavior. So use session length, scroll depth, user inactivity, exit intent. So these kind of triggers is used to launch pop-ups upon button or image clicks. Okay. Next feature is widget API. In widget API, we can display widgets based on your site logic. Okay. Example button, clicks, and pass extra information about your visitors and target visitors by custom API parameters and more. Okay. And the next feature is picture and GIF search. In GetSite control, they are inbuilt with unsplash search. Okay, and the relevant GIFs you can search from within that GetSite control tool itself. Okay. Next point is next feature is multi-page widgets. Okay, so it will make it easier for visitors to engage with the long forms. We can create like a landing page. Okay, multiple setup. For example, break questionnaires into multiple steps and the introduction, follow up, and submission success pages. Okay. Next feature is branding free pop-ups. Free pop-ups. Okay. Have full control of way your widget look. Build one of a kind of pop-ups and necessary worry about the set control logo. Get set control logo. You can have a branding free pop-up. Okay, logo will not be cut. Next feature is seamless integration. They have in lot of integration with the email marketing software and Google Analytics and Google Sheets. So in the dashboard. Next point is A/B testing. For example, we have created two pop-up forms based on the color or categories. Okay, in that we can differentiate. For example, red color and blue color, we have two pop-up forms. We can test it, and we can get the best result. Which one is best result, we can decide on that, and then we can run that long term. Okay. Next feature is multiple positions. With multiple position, in the sense, we have different models, pop-ups, floating sticky bars, various slidings, model pop-ups, and full screens, panels, and buttons. You can see the difference in the practical session. uh, Last point is unlimited users. Okay, you can invite our colleagues and into to the dashboard and make widget creation in creating a teamwork, and we can launch the pop-ups in the widget control. So these are all the features we have in GetCheck control. Next point is start for free. Okay, so we have 7 days free trial version. So no credit card required, no coding skills required, full feature trial, large template gallery, 1000 plus software integrations, live chat support. Okay. Mm, yeah. Next point is one second. Pricing details. So they have three types of plans. $7, $14, and $28. Three types of pricing, and three types of plans, like small, medium, and large. So all the features are same in the all the plans. Only difference is the widget views. Okay, how many views happen in the particular widget. So 1000 small means 1000, medium 10,000, large 1 lakh. So monthly widget use per monthly. Okay, and the pricing per year, you can pay every month. If you pay yearly, the month price is $7 in small, medium $14, large $28. Okay, if you want to pay month to month, $9 here, medium $19, and large $39 month to month. Okay, we will see the how this tool looks like and the features. Okay, these are already I have created widgets. Okay, if you see preview, this is the one of the widget. Here I am giving download option, free books, sorry, ebooks absolutely free. So here we have to ask for the visitors email and name. If you want the phone number, you can add it. Okay, so we'll see how to create a widget. So for example, this template here, we have lot of templates, different templates. You can use this one or full screen. One second. Yeah. Next, continue. Give continue. One second. This one. Here we have model, full screen, sliding, bar, and panel. This one is the panel. This one is bar. Okay. We select full screen and give continue. Here content, right? Content, what changes this content, what you have to, you are going to change. So this one is the, this statement, this subscribe. Okay, this one you can modify based on your requirement. Description, heading, subscription. subtitle. Then data name. If you click on that, you'll have the name, field ID, label, and placeholder. Enter your name. Okay. If it is mandatory field, you can check this box. Then email. And then this button sign up. You have, okay, next page or submit. Button class primary, normal, secondary. These are all the options we have available. You can give primary. And text is sign up. Text you can modify, download, subscribe. Like that you can learn more. We can modify based on your requirement. Then first next page and submit. Then close the widget. Once submitted, it will be closed automatically. Here we have to give the accents. What accents you want, you can give. So we have different options. Next page, submit, open URL. If you want to open URL, submit and give open URL, then close widget. Next point is show widget, then close widget. So these options. If you want if you want to add a show widget, you can add. Okay. So widget, you can exit intent widget and main widget. Okay. If you want to show another widget, you can give it like this. Then open URL. Open URL, you can give the particular URL. What URL? For example, https w.blogmy.com. Like this, you can give whatever your URL, your requirement URL, you can give it like here, like here. Okay. Then close the widget. This is the way we have to design. Then appearance. Appearance, we have different size and spacing, and we can edit the image. If you want to edit this image, you can edit it. Here Unsplash, right? Search in Unsplash. This is the built-in concept. So they have inbuilt search option like Google. So in Unsplash, you can search image like laptop. Here laptop coming, right? So you can modify the background image. Okay. Here we have different category: commerce, workspace, fun, pets, people, COVID-19, wallpapers, nature, mail, science, and money. So these are all the category we can search here, and stickers, and we can import also. Your own image you can import. Okay. Here some error. One second. Content. Sign up. Open your. Yeah, appearance done. And next point is targeting. Targeting, you can, if you want to include this URL, basically our URL, and exclude any URL in this main website. For example, contact us, contact us page, you can exclude here. Okay. And show widget to visitors. Here we have different types of categories. So country, we can filter like, for example, country, we can have India. And add filter, device, browser, Chrome. You can select here Chrome. Done. So like this we can wherever you want to show the widget, you can give like this. Okay, here or condition you can add and condition like this. Then start to display the widget at once. Okay, here at once you can display the widget, or exit intent, or scroll depth, inactivity, time on page, and the time on site. Okay, these are all the options available. You can give exit intent when the user is leaving the website, scroll depth when the user reaches 50% percentage of the page, and the next inactivity, here when the user is inactive for 30 seconds. If the user inactive with the 30 seconds, it will be display after 30 seconds. Okay, so like this we can add, and stop to display the widget, and stop to display submission, stop to display for hours, stop to display for some minutes. Okay, you can give like this. Then schedule, we can schedule like days of week, all the days. Okay, and time, particular time, we can schedule time based, and date wise you can schedule start on date, stop on date. Okay, these are all the targeting we have. Then notification we can enable email notification from email, your official email, and enable autoresponder. Here you have to give from website and subject subject and a message, your message, autoresponder message. Okay, if you don't want, you can uncheck these options. Then we have integration we have different 30 plus email marketing services, they have automate lead generation. Here I have used get response. So get response, you have to give the list, different list. Okay, and we have to map the parameters. So email and name form field. Okay, uh, email and name, here you have to match the parameters, whatever parameters you have asking for data, you have to map this to form field to get response field. Okay, then only it will be mapped to the field, and the corresponding data, email address and name will be uh, loaded into the update, insert into the get response database. Okay, that's it. Here you can see the widget. Okay, if you want to for example, I have created already, right? If you want to see my website, you see my website, like this is the pop-up I have designed, and this pop-up automatically comes. Okay, when the page load, it will come it will come. Okay, and if you go to exit, if you go to exit, it will display this widget. Okay, here enter your email, and it will be um, loaded into the get response database. If you want to see the get response, log into the get response. So get set control. these are all the leads I have reached, so I have got. So this way it will be email address, name, and subscribed on date and everything. You click on this. Here you can see the contact number, phone number, mobile number. Okay, if you want to add custom fields, you can add. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Passive Income Tribe, and please provide the comments and